What does a beer war, a social disease, and prohibition have in common? Find out next in our beer culture moment. All three of those things are tied to Al Capone. When Prohibition took effect in 1919, it effectively crushed the U.S. economy because the federal government was no longer getting revenue from the sales of alcohol. In addition, it started to cost the government $160 million a year just to enforce the prohibition on sales of alcohol. And more importantly, it created a black market. Enter Al Capone. Al Capone gets a stranglehold on the south of Chicago in what we call beer wars, where he effectively makes sure that his beer, out of all these other rival gangs, is the only beer that's being consumed there. In addition, he's bringing beer down from Canada as well, so he's helping that whole bootlegging industry. On top of that, he's very diversified. He sets up brothels, he sets up casinos, and there he generates more revenue through the sales of his beer. Now, the brothels ultimately led to him getting syphilis, which he decided he didn't want to treat, and that ended up taking his life at the age of 48. So, it wasn't really the beer wars, it wasn't the sales of bootlegged beer that ended Al Capone's career. He ended up going to prison for tax evasion. You see, you just can't get a W-2 for bootlegging. And, that's the way it rolls. There's never any good outcome if you don't pay your taxes. So, that's the moral of the story. Pay your taxes, although I'm pretty sure there's another moral in there somewhere. That's our beer culture moment for today. This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty.
Bye-bye.